So I don't know if you know, guys, but later this year there's going to be 2 other drones. It's going to be part of the mini series. It's going to be called the DJI Lito 1 and the DJI Lito X1. Now, interestingly, DJI rushed this through in the US. I think it was approved in November. So you guys out in the US, be able to get the drone. Obviously, we don't know about the posted side of it, and are you going to be still? I don't know about that part of it, but it sounds like it's been approved, so you should be able to get hold of it. But there's not a lot of information. All there's been is a photograph of an arm that's got the DJI Lito X1 on it. All I can give you at the moment, guys, is it's been confirmed, that's for sure. And it's expected to come out probably just before the summer. Maybe that's why they rushed it all through with the Afata 360, because that's still not out yet. And now the word is now that's not going to come out until March. So anyway, both these drones are going to be compact. They're going to be sub 250 gram drones, because I think that was another thing, because this drone apparently is going to be like a dumbed down version of the Mini 5 Pro. Because if you remember, when they bought out the Mini 2, when they discontinued it, they bought out another drone exactly the same. It was the Mini 4K drone, which was the Mini 2, and then they bought out the Mini 3, I believe. They bought out a Mini 4, so obviously this Lito 1 or the Lito X1 is going to be the Mini 5. Obviously they don't want to keep referring it to those numbers, I suppose. I think it's a good idea to have a different type of drone. I think we can safely say they're not going to make one of these again. And I think this is what it's going to be. It's going to be this type of drone, because obviously they compare this with the Mini 4 Pro. I'm talking about the camera and that. Obviously, I would imagine with this Lito, probably X1, would it be similar? Probably more similar to the Mini 4 Pro camera, I presume. As always, they haven't got a lot of information. And looking at, supposedly it's got storage. The Lito 1 has got 22 gig. And the Lito X1 is going to have 42 gig. This is only, obviously, rumours. Pricing, they reckon the Lito 1 is going to be $330, or us lot here in Europe is going to be €300. This is sort of going to be, obviously, probably just buying the drone itself. And the Lito X1, we're talking about $759 or 700 mid-range. So they're probably talking about, like a combi version with the batteries, controller, all the stuff that you usually get. But obviously we don't know yet. And they're saying here it's likely a replacement for the Mini 4K, but I think a more up-to-date version. I think it's be more like the Mini 4 Pro K. Might be wrong. I don't know. It's obviously aimed at the beginners and casual flyers. I think another thing is when the Mini 5 Pro come out, a lot of people weren't happy about it was over the 250 mark. And it's good to know now that DJI do listen about people complaining, especially about, can we just buy the drone and not the controllers? Because, God, I've got 3 RCN3 controllers. I don't need them. But I had to get them because I couldn't get the drone. And it looks like that could be another option. It says it possible it could have 360 obstacle avoidance, 05 transmission system, up to 20 kilometers, flight time. Well, we've heard this so many times, haven't we, with the flight time between 30 and 50 minutes, depending on the model, and obviously depending on the battery. Now the problem here in Spain, we're not allowed to have the souped up batteries that you can, the longer life batteries. We're not have that here in the EU. I'm not too sure about the US or the UK. It sounds like everybody's getting really, really strict on rules lately, haven't they? There's so many new rules coming out lately. And I think DJI are realising this, and that's why they're making a sort of a super cheap drone, but still a good quality drone, because that Mini 2 was an amazing drone. This, you know, if you ever watch any of my videos, you know my very first video I did on this, what I said about it. I'm not going to say it because I know a lot of people that watch my channel love this drone, but if you watch any of my videos, you know my opinion on this thing. So guys, I just thought I'd bring it out. It'd be interesting to know if any of you heard about the Lito 1 or the Lito X1. Like I said, the only image that we've got so far is an arm, and they said it's very similar to the Mini 4 Pro arm. What that means, I don't know. And the other one was, there was an image, but blurred. But it's definitely been approved. It's definitely coming out. I won't be getting it because I got so many mini drones now. I got the Mavic Mini, which was, to me, was a load of rubbish. The Mini 2 was fantastic. The Mini 3 Pro was another fantastic drone, and then it just kept on improving. I'll be honest, I was a little bit disappointed with this drone, but lately I've been flying it, and it's changed my mind. I'm really loving it at the moment. Please check out my videos, please. Anyway, I hope you found it interesting. It'd be interesting to hear what your thoughts are on this, guys. You know, would you be buying this drone? Because I know there is a lot of you out there that ain't even bought a drone yet, and God, it must be so confusing. You know, do you want to spend out a fortune, and then you got the weather, you can't fly it, regulations. We just want a little cheap drone to mess about with. Yeah, I think DJI getting there. Anyway, as always, there's going to be another video coming right sooner.